What's up, guys? This is my second take on trout fishing. The first time didn't go so well. I got skunked, and having the Department of Natural Resources stock the lake the day before, I got so excited that I didn't give the chance to fish to actually settle in the water. Sorry about the cough. I'm a little under the weather, but I still have the urge to go fishing. So I'm gonna take my my second chance and see if I can try my luck. It's the 30th of January, so I'm gonna see. I've given them about a week and a few days to settle in, and I have a few of my rods here ready to go. You can tell. Hopefully I can at least get a bite for you guys to see and see what's up. Alright, guys, can't wait till we get there. So I just arrived at the lake. I know it's a little chilly and I'm fighting it. I got a mild cough but I'm starving, man. I really want some trout. So what I'm going to be using today is a Mitchell Advanta rod with an extra light quantum reel. I'm also going to use a extra light rod from Quantum with a extra light older version of the quantum reel. I also have a cherry wood from Berkeley with an Okuma reel. Most of these rods are ultra light or light. And then I have a medium action extreme from Bass Pro with Entice reel from Bass Pro as well. So I'm gonna try my luck, see if I can catch something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tie two size I think what, like 10 hooks, size 10 hooks into these, and right here. So you know how Kmart sells the combos and stuff, and these are type of hooks we're going to be using. Really small, because they have really small mouths. And on the ends we're going to use power bait. You guys will see in a bit. So I'm super excited. You guys don't know how excited I am. We're going to put a weight on it as well. The further we get the line out, the better our chances of getting to the fish. Alright. Again, I'm using 8-pound mono. Use some of these. Probably about maybe three should be okay. Depends on the size. I think I have a 16 ounce. Yeah, these are all 16 ounces. Should be good enough. Alright, finally fixed this one. See if I can use Panther Martin on this. Check this out. Yeah, I think this should be good. Kind of has like a minnowy color. It's all rusty, but should be okay. Should be good. Alright, so this is how I tie my knots. So I put it inside the eye, give it 5 spins, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you put it inside the loop. Come back down, tighten it up, and you pull. Whoops. There we go. Should be good enough. Should be okay after that. Looks like it's muddy there. Might not be good. But it all depends on what the fish like, so. The further I cast, the better. Sorry about that, I had to change my battery. I had a small scare. I thought one of these rods had a bite. Oh snaps. What the heck was that? Scared the crap out of me. I don't know if it was a fish or what. Jeez, peace. So apparently they've lost 2 fish. I'm gonna try to fish in the corner where they're at and see if I can try my luck there. I just don't want to get them on their way. Look right here. Here it is. Here it is. Come on. Look. 3, 2. God, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Ah, beautiful. There we go. Damn it. He sucked it very good. Finally. Alright. Huh? It's fluorescent orange. Yep. This can swallow the crap out of it. Got it. You guys don't know how excited I am. First fish of 2018, and I'm ready to throw again. Let's go. Let me top my trout bait. I think that left rod right there. I gotta change the bait on it. Ah, okay, that's nice, not bad. The heck? Fish on, fish on. Yeah. Let's go. Fish on. Oh. Fish on, baby. Let's go. Fish on. Woo. Check that out, baby. This one's a little smaller. The other one was a little bit bigger. Yeah, and I forgot my pliers today, so I'm not too happy. But I'm using a paint bucket opener. I'm gonna see if I can try. Uh-oh, that's you, Papa. Lunchtime.
Okay. It looks like it got away.
Fish on, baby. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Come on. Come on. Ah, beautiful.